woke up at? Okay. All right, so everybody got a time and a place? Now, write one or two lines, and then what happened? Just write it. Don't even tell nobody. Just write it. And then what happened when you woke up in that place in that time?
Do we write and then what happened?
Yep. No, don't write and then what happened. Just write what happened. Yeah, don't write and then what happened. Just write the thing that happened when you woke up in that place in that time. Tell me when y'all got that line done.
How do you spell Mary J. Blige's last name?
Just BLIDGE or something. I don't know, girl. Just write down how you think it is. Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about. Just spell the best you can. Don't self-edit yourself. Do you know what self-editing is?
Yes.
Basically, self-editing is when you're thinking too much and you like, oh, I want that to be something different. Or I don't like what I just wrote. Let me erase that and write something. Don't worry about it. This is just ideas. You just write it and let it go. Write it and let it go. Don't even look back. Once you write it down, don't look at it again. Just look at me so I know that you done writing what happened after that, after you woke up in that year in that place. Okay, you done. Who are, okay, you done? You wrote it?
I want to change it now.
You over there bleeding, man? Okay, go up to the front desk. I'm pretty sure they got you up there. This community center. And that's they do is take care of people.
Can I please change? I had a better idea.
Huh?
I had a better idea.
Nope. You just incorporate it later. That's self-editing. So look, this is what it's supposed to do at school. Now you can, when it's saying then what happened next, you can switch to what your better idea was. You know what I'm saying? Don't go backwards, just move forward. That's like life. You always got to just keep moving forward. Leave the past in the past. All right, everybody got that?
Wait. Got what?
That line, the next line on, and then what happened once you woke up in that place in that time. Okay. Now, read all three of them to yourself real quick. Read them all to yourself. I'm gonna get three people to tell me what happened. Read your whole three lines real quick.
I woke up this morning in 1990. I woke up in my underwater submarine, and then I got to work roboticizing a shark named Case.
I like that.
Wow.
So the next thing is gonna be, and then what happened after that. Who else wanna read theirs real quick? You already went a bunch of times.
Why?
Read yours real quick.
I woke up this morning in 1960 in Djibouti, and then I met my little African sister.
That's a good one. One more. Jasmine, read yours.
I woke up this morning in 1980. I woke up at the Rock of Ages play. Then I met Mary J. Blige's Justice Charlene.
Okay. So everybody got three lines?
Yes.
All right, now next, tell me, and then what happened after that? Don't think backwards, just think forward. Then what happened? Whatever you wrote, once you read it, you leave it there. Leave it on the page. It's wrote down where you can't pick it up from. If anybody had a better idea, this is the time to go right into your better idea. Yep, keep going, girl. You got it. And then what happened? And when you're done, put your pen down so I know you're done. Yep, just write it on out. It don't have to be one line. It can be two lines, it can be three lines. Whatever happened next, you just write it on out and put your pen down. All right. Okay, we almost there. I got a question. After I ate that donut, I needed some water. So if y'all are anything like me, would y'all like some water? Yes, for real, or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna get y'all some water. Oh, okay, that's so special. Okay. Alright, so let me see, everybody got their pen down? Janai still,
I'm done now.
okay. So, tell me your name. Huh? ODA?
Oh, no.
You better leave me alone. Read all yours real quick so far.
I woke up this morning in 3000. I was in the bus.
Say it one more time, I ain't hear you, my bad. Say, read it
I
again.
woke up this morning in 3000. I was in a bus. I looked around and saw 3 people staring at me. I quickly looked down at my fingers to avoid their eyes. I could still feel their cold, hard stare. Wow.
Ooh, that's what happened. Read yours.
I woke up in the year 1819. I woke up in California. Then I went to the pool, and then I went to Burger.
Okay, where'd you go at the end?
Burger.
Okay, then Burger Fry sound tasty. I didn't know you had that in 1819. I bet that was all natural beef. Some real cow. One more person.
That's Jack.
I woke up in 2000.
All right, do it one more time and read it as loud as you can.
I woke up in 2000. I woke up at 7 and I saw
Okay then. I ain't hear the end, but you know what? I believe you. I really believe you. I know you did.
she ate breakfast and fed the animals.
She ate breakfast and fed the animals at the zoo? Okay then. You saying 2005? That was a good year. Okay, now. One more time. Read all the stuff you wrote so far. Read them all. Start from the top, read it. And tell me, and then what happened after that? You better write it in what happened, girl. You out here tripping. Write it down. Don't play with me. And then what happened? Right. And then what happened?
And I said yes. Wait, you said what was that?
No, you didn't finish. And then what happened? You keep going. You're not done. You already got your and then what happened? Once you get done with the next and then what happened, put your pen down so I can know you're done. And it don't have to be, it don't have to be anything specific. It could be short, it could be long, it could be whatever you think. Just let your mind go and write what you think. And don't erase, don't edit yourself. It is not that serious. We just having fun and getting things out of our mind. Alright, just keep on writing. It's all good. Don't rush yourself. Just whenever you finish that thought, sit your pen down, pencil down. Yes.
So what if there's somebody that needs help?
Okay. If anybody needs help, if you need help, just put a finger up like you're in church. Like old school church. You need help? Okay. The one finger. If you need help, put the one finger up. You need help? Okay. I thought you had your finger up. Alright, so we got, okay, I see a couple people still writing, ain't nothing wrong with that. You done? You just doodling around, or are you, still writing? Okay. Yep, give everybody a chance to do
Can I have
their
a short
thing.
piece, please?
Is she helping you? Oh, that's so, look at this, so special. Look at this helper.
Because you know they're contributing together,
Mm-hmm.
so that process requires them to work together.
Alright. So now, before we even have anybody read it, we're gonna switch the game up right now. Yep, so everybody, okay, I'm sorry. Yep, after this time, I'm gonna tell y'all what happened next. So everybody write down, Janet, you still going?
I'm about to finish.
Okay. Everybody write down what happened next. It was an earthquake. Saying then it was an earthquake.
And we all know.
Yep, saying then it was an earthquake and everything changed. Write that next line down. Then it was an earthquake